Hello guys, this is our first YouTube video and today we're going to be experimenting with,
fidget spinners.
yes, as you probably saw it laying right here.
We're gonna do an experiment, see if the fidget spinner can bust this light bulb.
So we're going to be trying to break it now.
Okay.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're going to first show you the features of our fidget spinner. So here it is.
Mine's metallic.
A nice metallic blue.
It's a nice metallic blue. Ainsley got
a dark blue. And our little brother.
He got a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner.
Or a light up fidget spinner.
Okay, let's
do this.
Okay.
Let's go first.
Wait,
okay.
No, I don't think it was fast enough. Okay, wait, we'll try again. Nope. It's not busting so far. Okay, wait. I'll try again. Wait.
Okay, really fast. Oh. Bruh! Not the best.
It does not work. It's not even working. This is ball. Okay, wait. Let me try again.
We're gonna try one more time. If it doesn't, then we failed.
We failed pretty bad for our first video.
Unless we could just make another one.
Oh, I thought that was gonna bust.
I know.
Okay. Okay.
If not, we're just gonna bust ourselves, guys.
Okay, guys, just wait. This is our last attempt. If it doesn't work, we're gonna upload this video and.
But we're gonna bust it ourselves, just for the YouTube channel. It broke. Look at the light.
Look at guys, the metallic.
Here, I'll show you guys. Look at the damage it did.
Show the glass over here.
With this metallic fidget spinner, and we are gonna see if there's any defects on it now since it broke it. No.
Effects, it's effects.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. It was
What the hell?
This is our first don't touch that anything. This was our first YouTube video ever. And if you're watching this, please subscribe, like, and comment.
And I'll leave down below our social medias, and yeah.
Okay, bye.